This video will show you how to load and unload a smart key onto a Texecom alarm system. Firstly, enter in your master code onto the keypad. Then press Menu. Then press the tick or yes button. Then press the down arrow on the keypad until Setup Uses is displayed. Then press the tick or yes button. Select the user where the Ricochet Smartkey is being added to. Then press the Omit button. The display will then show if the user selected is free to add the Smartkey. If the user is free, press No or the cross button to start the load process. Next, power up the Smartkey by pressing the On button for approximately 4 seconds. The acknowledgment tone indicates the Smartkey has been paired to the corresponding user for the keypad. To exit back to day mode, press Menu twice, then reset. However, in this demonstration we will be deleting the Smartkey we just added. Firstly, make sure you are in the User's Setup menu. Press Omit. Then select the user's fob you wish to delete. Then press the No or the cross button, followed by the Reset button. The Smartkey has now been unloaded or deleted from the system. The display will now show the user slot is free to use Add a new smart fob. To exit and go back to day mode, press Menu twice, then 0, followed by yes or tick.